Yo, hello everyone, and welcome guys again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could get a Mailchimp API key very easily. So, now what is an API key? An API stands for Application Programming Interfaces. Now, this key will be used, or it's going to be a bunch of numbers or a bunch of words or random things that could make a key. This key could be very useful when you try to integrate, for example, Mailchimp with your own other platforms, or basically any other platform, not necessarily your own. So to generate an API key, you will need to do these few steps that are mentioned in this article. Now, first of all, click your profile icon and choose profile. So here I have this, and I'm going to click on profile. Once you have done that, click on the extras drop down, then choose API keys. So let's wait to go here, and there we go. Once we clicked on API keys and your API keys section, click create a key. So here we go. So here we have your API key section, and I'm going to create a key. Now in this area, you will have to give it a name. So I'm going to use it, for example, YouTube API, and I'm going to generate the key. So this is the key, guys, as we have it. Now all I need to do is to copy it to my clipboard and then click on done. So this is exactly what is written in this article. Click generate key. Once we generate your key, click copy key to clipboard. Save your key someplace secure you won't be able to see or copy it again. So this key, you will not be able to see it again. So you have to save it, unless like for the first time you have done it and you didn't attach it to any other platform. Just remove it. Here type revoke and create a new one that you will be saving in this time. So this is how you can create your API key, and I showed you exactly how you can remove one as well. So this is a bonus for you guys. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.